Python. Run the second condition after the first one becomes false. I have a script where an if-else condition is given. The if takes the user input and process that if a certain directory is empty and fills that certain directory, and the else runs if the directory is already full. So, if the directory is empty, the first condition becomes true and the first process happens, and then I have to run the script again to have the else condition run on the directory that is now full. My question is whether there is a better way of doing that, so I do not have to run the script twice to get what I want. E.g. If there is a way to add order, first, fulfill the first condition, second after the directory is filled run the second condition.
We can leverage decorators 1 here to enforce the invariant. One. Check out this post to know more about decorators, how to make function decorators and chain them together.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.